Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin with the first question. What does Order 7 Rule 1 of CPC primarily deal with? A. Jurisdiction of court. B. Procedure for appeal. C. Execution of decree. And D. Contents of a plaint. The correct answer is option D, contents of a plaint. Recently, in the case of Messrs. AG Overseas Private Limited and others versus Chetan Das, the Delhi High Court held that the 120-day limit for filing a written statement under the CPC does not apply to replies to amended plaints. Order 7 Rule 1 of CPC 1908, CPC deals with the particulars to be contained in a plaint. Question 2. Which court gets power under Section 427C of BNSS? A. Trial Court. B. Appellate Court. C. Sessions Court. D. High Court. The correct answer is option B. Appellate Court. Recently, in the case of Sachin versus State of Maharashtra, the Supreme Court held that in an appeal filed by a convict, the appellate court is not empowered to enhance the sentence unless a separate appeal or revision has been filed by the state, the victim, or the complainant specifically seeking such enhancement. Section 427C of BNSS specifically addresses the powers of the appellate court when dealing with an appeal for enhancement of sentence. Question 3. Which section of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam talks about the opinion of experts? A. Section 15, B. Section 25, C. Section 35, or D. Section 39. The correct answer is option D. Section 39. Section 39 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 BSA deals with the opinion of experts. The opinions of experts are regarded as relevant in certain situations where the court needs specialized knowledge to make a decision. Question 4. Which section of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita defines offence? A. Section 2, subsection 1, B. Section 2, subsection 2, C. Section 2, subsection 3, or D. Section 2, subsection 24. The correct answer is option D. Section 2, subsection 24. Section 2, subsection 24 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS 2023 defines offence. An offence is defined as any act or omission that is prohibited by law and punishable under BNS. Question 5. The term victim is defined under which section of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? This question was asked in Uttarakhand JSE 2022. The options are A. Section 2W, B. Section 2WA, C. Section 2V, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B, Section 2WA. Section 2WA of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 defines the term victim. Victim means a person who has suffered any loss or injury caused by reason of the act or omission for which the accused person has been charged, and the expression victim includes his or her guardian or legal heir. In the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS 2023, the term victim is defined under Section 2Y. And now is the time for today's practice question. Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 does not have a provision regarding A. Review, B. Revision, C. Reference, or D. Appeal. This question was asked in Uttarakhand JSE 2022. Send us your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.